Have you ever imagined life as a game? And if you have to choose which game it would be, in my opinion, life is pretty much like a Lego game. You start with the first solid block, which is you. And then in the process of growing, you keep adding to these blocks educations, friends, families, responsibilities, entertainment, and many, many more, until you build this very complex structure. But sometimes, in the process of making this structure, the first block, which is us, get buried under everything else. To learn how to deconstruct and reconstruct this game of life, stay with me. As we continue to build, the weight of those blocks sometimes feel too overwhelming. Expectation from others, responsibilities both emotional and financial, until the life becomes so stressful and heavy that we feel even purposeless. But the good thing is that this game has the ability, and our mind has the ability, to deconstruct and reconstruct it. Like if we have endless blocks available to rebuild, to change, and to deconstruct and reconstruct our life. So the beauty of mind is this ability to deconstruct and reconstruct and rebuild your life. As you feel this pressure of those blocks pressing down on you, is a signal that is telling you that something must be changed, that you have to step back and look at that structure, that complex structure, and understand what are those blocks that must be deconstructed and reconstruct and rebuild again. So this deconstructing doesn't mean that you have to start all over again from scratch, but it gives you the possibility to understand if those blocks are belong to where they are, or they are unnecessary weight on you, or they were put there just with not that much care, and they have no purpose to being where they are. Are they aligned with your core? Are they supporting you, or they are just the unnecessary weight on you? Once you identify the blocks that are not belong, you are then ready to reconstruct this structure that is your life, this time with more focus and care. Choosing those blocks to reconstruct around you instead of on the top of that core and central block that is you. With much care and attention, perhaps some of those blocks will be completely discarded or replaced, constructed again in a different way, that instead of overwhelming you, they support you. So think of this game as redesigning and you're reconstructing your life intentionally. You choose those blocks that are belong, those that you have to move away or move closer, and those that you have to discard altogether. In this way, you build a life that is a reflection of you, who truly you are, instead of that heavy pile of emotions and expectation that are not supporting you. The decision to deconstruct and reconstruct your life is not easy. It takes time, reflection, and sometimes tough decisions that you always avoid because you're afraid of taking them. But the reward is having a lighter and more purposeful life, the life that you really desire. In the process, you understand what you really expect from life. And you will see that by keeping yourself as a core of life, as a center of life, everything else falls into place naturally. So what's your next move in this game of life? In my latest book, Manifesting Joy, you can find my method of deconstructing and reconstructing your life in a fun way with using the game of Lego. It's time to pick up those blocks, deconstruct it, and reconstruct it again in a way that life reflects who you truly are. If this idea resonates with you, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you have any question, please write in the box below and I will answer you immediately. Happy to have you here, and until next week, I wish you great days.